Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about photography and videography. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at this time. Today we'll be talking about how to add an overlay on iMovie. How to add an overlay. Alright, let's get right into it, you guys. Alright, so I already have my iMovie already open. I have a clip here I can use. So what I do, I just click on it, and the clip is already imported. So I just click on it and I drag it down. So now I want to expand it. That's how we expand it here. And you just drag it over as far as you want it to drag. And the more you drag it over, the more it expands. But yes, so just say I wanted to use a thumb up. See, I have thumbs up here and I just imported it. A transition, what you call it? The picture without the background. You want to use that, so you import it here. If you wanted the thumbs up, go right there. You import it, and the question is going to be that big, and you just go to click on these boxes here, and go to picture in picture. See, this shrinks it down, but it's not all the way, so I want to make sure it's cropped right. So I just go to fit, right? Just go to fit, and then I go back to it. And let's go back to it here. See, it's showing all of it now. So just say if I want to move it, I just drag it here down, or whatever I want to drag it to. You just drag it right here. So that's basically how you do the overlays or anything you want to add with a transparent background. Is what I was trying to say earlier. Yeah, sometimes the words don't come to me right then and there, but yeah, later on it's coming. But thank God for it. But yeah, so just say I don't want the thumbs up. I want to delete the. Okay, delete thumbs up, and we just say you want to do the subscribe button, which is right here, and I think I already have it in here. I guess not, but yeah, I just drag it down here from your desktop, and you see you do the same thing. Picture in picture, picture in picture. I think you just drag it where you want to drag it to, and then just play it. And that's basically how you add an overlay on iMovie, you guys. This is very simple. Like I said, iMovie is very user friendly. So that's how you add an overlay on iMovie, you guys. All right, please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would surely appreciate it, you guys. Again, my name is Larry Thomas, and I have a lot to cover here, a lot to share with you guys. Everything I'm learning, I'm trying to share it with you guys. All right, guys, please subscribe again to my channel. And until next time, you guys, peace.